Hello, and welcome to our video. My name is Louise Marshall, and I'm the head of customer training at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to take and end breaks using the RosterElf Time Clock. How to take a break. Select the correct staff member from the list. This ensures you apply the break to the right shift. Tap the shift information to open the break options. Enter your password in the break modal, then click Confirm. If photo proof is enabled, take a quick selfie and confirm again. How to end a break. Select the same staff member to confirm you're ending the correct break. Tap the shift information to open the end break option. Enter your password in the modal, then select Confirm. If photo proof is enabled, snap a selfie and press Confirm again. Thanks for watching, and remember our friendly support team is always here to help. Take care and happy rostering.